down there. And up there. We almost made it, guys. We almost made it, guys. We gotta keep going.
Way to go. It's half a mile.
Oh my God. It's first, Riley. We're going up. We're going all the way up into the mountain. Wait, is this the big mountain I was talking about?
Mm-hmm.
Mommy,
Yep.
is this the big mountain we were talking about?
Yeah. Part of it.
The biggest mountain? Is this the biggest mountain?
No, there's a bigger one. Riley, stay with us.
Daddy, don't knock down that tree.
Me? I'm not.
Oh my God. That tree almost knocked down. Yep. Oh, this way, the entrance. This way. After we go this way, when we, after we go this way, this is the end.
In 1 mile.
Well, are you sure? Well, are you sure are you sure this is the right way to go to the end?
Yeah.
Riley, wait.
Riley, I said no running and stay with us. If you run, you're going to get tired really fast.
Wait, Mom, look at it. Is that the biggest mountain?
That looks like a big mountain.
Oh my God, is that the biggest mountain? Well,